I'm going to show you the 6 best ways to promote Clickbank products. Welcome to the video. I go by the name of MrDavinci. I'm your friend and mentor. I make videos like this quite frequently on the channel, and on these type of videos I like to show you different strategies, tactics, tips and tricks that you can implement into your daily journey so that you can start generating another source of income within your life. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you the 6 free ways to promote Clickbank affiliate products. Bear with me here for a second. Right, so here we are on the website clickbank.com. If you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, I'm pretty sure you're aware of this. It's a good starting point for not only just beginners, intermediates, and experts use this, unless you're ready to journey off into high-ticket affiliate marketing. But I personally suggest that you could do both. There's nothing wrong. Money's money at the end of the day. At the end of the day, we're all looking to help people, and we're all looking to get paid. So here we are. This is clickbank.com, www.clickbank.com. And what you want to do is, if you already have an account, you can log in, and for that segment, skip to the next 30 seconds. If you do not have an account, I will show you how to create one here. I'm not going to go through the whole process of creating an account. I'll just show you what you need to see so that you can set up your account so that you're able to promote Clickbank affiliate products. So let's let this load up, and hold on a second. Oh, here you go. And so here we are on Clickbank. Sign up for a Clickbank account. That sounded funny. Anyway, you're going to put in your personal information, the language you speak, the country, first name, last name, street address, basic information, postal code, city, phone number, email address. Then you're going to put in your banking information for you to get paid. I believe Clickbank does also pay you by check. I'm not sure if they pay you through PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App, but I do know you get paid through your bank account, and I do know Clickbank sends you a check. And after they do that, what you want to do is you're going to do some account information. Now this whole process is going to take you 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not going to cover that in this video, but I'm pretty sure that you can handle this. All you have to do is follow it step by step, and you'll be good to go. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to go to my Clickbank account because I'm already logged in. And here we are in the Clickbank affiliate marketplace dashboard. So here, as you can see, I'm in the health and fitness niche. You can find over hundreds of products to promote and earn commissions from. People will pay you to sell their products for them. As you can see, the average sales price. All you need is one sale for this specific offer, the Cinderella solution. One sale from one person will give you $33.60. It will show you all the price points in which you can use to sell them for and how much you will make. Hold on one second, y'all. Something I need to do real fast. Bear with me. Stay tuned all the way to the end of the video. Don't mind this. Just a minor, brief interruption. Had to move. That's all. Right. So, yeah. Glad you stuck around. So, what I'm going to be covering is the 6 different methods of people to see your link and potentially buy your product. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here. We're going to load this up. Now, the first method I want to show you today is, let's type this in, Instagram. Now, most of these methods I'm going to show you are quite easy to implement. They do take time because this is a free method. Paid methods you can invest money into, and it doesn't require much time. It just requires the time to set it up, launch the ad, and watch the results roll in, edit and tweak from there. But for free methods, since you don't have much of a budget, or you might not have a budget at all to invest, you will have to sacrifice a lot of your time. Depending on how much time you will get, your results may vary, and different people get different results based on the time that they're willing to put in. Now, with that out of the way, let's get back to the topic at hand. Topic at hand, not ham. And that is Instagram. And what you want to do is you want to paste the link from your Clickbank affiliate offer into your Instagram bio. So I'm pretty sure that most of you know what Instagram is. or aware of what the Instagram platform is. Basically, you want to make a profile on Instagram within the niche of the offer that you want to promote. So when you load up my Clickbank, when I was here, I'm in the health and fitness niche for this particular offer. So what I would do is I'd make a niche IG. We're going to abbreviate that for the Instagram page for those of you who didn't know. And weight loss. And I'm going to promote that offer, and I'll put it in the link in my bio. Now, as far as I know, Instagram does not directly let you link to your affiliate offer. I believe you do have to have what's called a sales funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, don't worry, I'm going to cover that in another video that I got coming in the future. But to give you the short version of the rundown, a sales funnel is this right here. So I'm going to load up a new page. Bear with me here. Hold on. Computer froze there. Just stay with me here for a second. I'm gonna get this resolved. So yeah, like I was saying, a sales funnel is basically you have your opt-in page, you have your VSL, which is a video sales letter, or you can go, from your opt-in page to your bridge page, and they had the affiliate offer. But the method that I've been testing, which has been seemed to have been working the best for me, let me get this out the way. Finally, all right. So we got that, got this, and we had this. So this is just gonna put SF. So this is your sales funnel page. So when you send the traffic, I know I can't draw, just don't let this distract you. You're going to send traffic, we're going to put a T here for traffic, to your sales funnel page once they opt in. So let's put that here. Yeah, that's funny. So we're going to send the traffic to our sales funnel page. Once they opt in, we're then going to send them right here to our affiliate, which is going to write AF, affiliate offer, and they can have the chance to potentially buy the product of which we're offering. So that's the first method of which I want to cover with you. The next method that we're going to go about is, see if I can erase this real fast. If not, I'll try and open the page. Alright. So awesome. Next method we're going to do is face. Let me just type in here. Facebook. And what we're going to do is, I know you're already on Facebook. You probably have a profile, but what you want to do is you want to make a Facebook group page based around the niche of the affiliate offer in which you're looking to promote. This way you can organically invite and get people who's interested in, let's say, weight loss to come join your Facebook page, so that you can post offers to them about the affiliate product that you're looking to promote. Now, just like Instagram, Facebook does not directly allow you to post affiliate offers link. They used to, but that was earlier, about a decade ago. Now you have to have a sales funnel if you want to do that. That's why a sales funnel is very important in the world of online and digital marketing. But don't worry, I have a video coming soon about how you can make a sales funnel and the best ways for you to go about marketing that. So definitely subscribe so you can get notified when the videos release. So moving on to the next method. Oh man, computer's really having an issue here. Hold on here. Just let me see if I can get this to load. Come on, computer, you can do this. Bear with me here. It's loading. page 3. Let's go back to page 1. So what I'm going to do is, since my computer's going real slow, I'm going to put the rest of the what method we're on. We're on method 3, so I'm going to do methods 3 through 6 on this one page, so that it doesn't have to keep freezing, that we can get it all in one go, so that they're able to get the rest of the information that I'm trying to pass on to you, so that you can implement these tactics and potentially get people to buy your affiliate offer. So let's load this up. Wow, man, computer, it's really dropping the ball on me. Right, so here we are. All we need is this out the way. Boom. That's we're back in action. So you know what? Just gonna draw all the circles now. On method 3. Right. You know what? Just gonna do this. Apologies for my bad drawing. Not really an artist. So method number 3, here we go. Google. Oh, hold on. Google. And for this method, Google loves organic traffic. They love when you constantly update them. So the best way to get free traffic from Google is you're going to have to do SEO. For those of you who don't know what SEO stands for, that stands for search engine optimization. And the best way to get search engine optimization, Google organic traffic, is by making a blog. Now, the best ways to create content is through audio, which is people listening, video, which is what you're doing right here, watching this video, and then articles, which is reading. Those are the 3 ways that people consume content. Now, this is more of a long-term strategy, but if you're willing to commit time and do this at least once a day, 2 to 3 times a week, 5 to 6 times a month, you will start to see results. Now, the results may vary, and the results are going to take time. I do have a blog myself, but the results is going to take time. SEO and blog takes at least a minimum from 30 to 90 days before you see traffic. But I guarantee you, if you stick with it from, what's the day, July 25th all the way until January 2020, you should be able to see some type of organic results for your product ranking or organic traffic coming to your affiliate offer. Moving on, the next method that I have for you is right here. What you watching? YouTube. YouTube is great for getting people to come watch your videos, as you're watching this video right now, and you can do affiliate product reviews from these offers to attract people to come check out these products. Because a lot of times when you promote the affiliate offer, people are already typing into YouTube, typing into Google, and they're looking for reviews. If you're able to make a review for the affiliate offers that you have through Clickbank, you're likely to get some traffic for that time, especially if you can get it a few days before it releases or the exact day of when that affiliate offer released. Then you should see a hefty amount of traffic. And if you post the affiliate link within your your YouTube video in the description, you should see a decent amount of people checking out your video for free. And that's another way how you can optimize and promote your Clickbank affiliate offer for free. The next method that we have, which I'm not going to talk too much on this method because this is something that I'm still testing, and I don't want to tell you nothing that I haven't tried or proven for myself, which is affiliate referrals. Pretty sure I spelled referrals wrong. I did spell referrals wrong. Let me fix that. Affiliate referrals. And what we want to do is, if you can contact other people who's already affiliates or already doing affiliate marketing, you can get them to promote your offer for you. Now, this is also known as second tier programs. Like I said, I don't want to dive too much into that. So that's offer number 5. Now, depending on who you contact, you can offer to help them out, giving them your time, or you might have to end up paying some money. So this can count as a free method, but just be prepared that you might end up having to spend some money just to get this method done. Now, moving on to the last and final method that I have for you is ad coupons. You can get free advertising on many different ad networks such as Facebook, Google, Bing, Instagram, Amazon, and the list goes on. And what they're going to do is they're going to give you basically a coupon to encourage you to advertise with them online. They'll give you X amount of free money to spend to reach potential people to check out your offers. If you're good at keyword research, or if you check in the affiliate offer page and go down to the JV script, you can see the type of keywords that people are already typing in. If the person that you get the affiliate offer from has that set up. If not, you can just do some keyword research, find the affiliate keywords. Find the keywords that go along with the affiliate offer, and you'll be able to use these coupons targeting those keywords to get people to come to your affiliate offer. So those are the 6 free methods that I have for you today to definitely promote the 6 ways to promote Clickbank for free without investing any money, but you will have to invest time. If you check over here, I have a playlist for you. Definitely watch these other videos that I have on affiliate marketing that I go more in depth of how to get the best results for promoting, making sales, getting the right demographic. Over here, I have another playlist for you. Aside from affiliate marketing, there are other methods which I use that generates me a good source of income. Definitely check those out. Down here I had the subscribe button. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci, signing off.